Oh, shit, there. Yo. Hey, yo, London. You got your cameras, video cameras. Film free, man. We ain't on that bullshit. Hey, yo, post this shit up on MySpace, YouTube, your personal website. We got our homeboy, Big Brian Sharpo in the building right now.
My name's a t-shirt, DVD,
Say nobody can film this shit, that's bullshit, nobody can film this shit. All of that is bullshit, say that's bullshit! Bullshit! But don't even nature got smart. We say, you know what, let them film us, and we'll put our asses back there. We want our own So now, there's so many angles in this moment. There's so many fucking vibes in this moment. Please post this shit up on your personal page, man. Naughty by Nature in London, 2000. I gotta introduce this out here, man. They got a magazine called The Connect With. It's an international magazine. It's like the hip-hop yellow pages. You a DJ, producer, artist, whatever the fuck you got, they got it on the website. They got it on the magazine. What is the website?
WonderTwins.com, twins with a Z, WonderTwins.com.
Alright.
That's what it is.
And you know what? I'm about to do something. That's the first show we came out.